Now, starting with question number 11. It is count the number of triangles in the adjoining figure. So these are some kind of adjoining figure in which we have different triangles. Okay, we have to count the number of triangles. First of all, let us take a concept. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, and the bigger one. There are 3 triangles. Okay, so we will use this concept here. Okay, now count the triangles. So this is 3 triangle. Okay, and these are 3 triangles. These are 3 triangles. Again, these are 3 triangles, and the bigger one also consists 3 triangles. Means 3, 3, 9, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12, 3, 15. 15 triangles are here only. Okay, now this is 16th, this is 17th. Okay, now let us write 2 here. Okay, now this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the bigger one is 6. Okay, so the sum will be 23. The total number of triangles in the adjoining figure will be 23, and the correct answer will be C, 23. Okay, now coming to the next question. Now we have to count the number of circle in the adjoining figure. So finding out the circle, it is very complex here. So we will use a simple trick. We will find out the centers of each and every circle, and with the help of that centers we can count the figures, number of circles. Okay, so this is first, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So the number of circles in the adjoining figure are 21. Okay, now moving further, the answer is 21. Now let's moving further. These are some same type of questions. You have to count the number of triangles. Okay, coming to the question number 15. Identify in which of the following figures given shape X is exactly embedded as one of its part. This is the shape X we have, and we have to find out in which of the following 4 figure this shape is embedded. Means this is inside this 4 shapes or not. In which shape this shape is, in which of the following 4 options. This we have to find out. Okay, so let us check. If we will see here the option A, you can see this and like this and like this and like this and like this. Okay, so have you got or not? Yes, we have got our desired shape in the option A. So the correct answer will be option A. Okay, now moving further, taking question number 17. Identify the shape which is exactly embedded in the figure X. Now the question is reversed, or the question has changed. Earlier we were finding out the figure which is inside figure which is inside the options. Now we have figure X, and we have to take the options inside the figure. We have to take this options inside the figure. We have to find which option is inside this figure. Okay, let's check. If you can see here this kind of figure. Okay, let I draw. Yes, and then this and this circle. Okay, let I draw properly. this, this, then this, and this, and this, and a small circle. So the option B can be embedded in the figure X. Yes, the option B can be embedded. Okay, so the correct answer is option B. Now moving further to question number 19. Same kind of question. Select the figure from the option which is exactly embedded in the given figure X. So this is a figure X. We have to find out which of the following four option is embedded in the figure X. Okay, so check it properly. You will find that this, like this, and like this. So option A can be inside the figure X. Correct answer will be A. Okay, now moving further. Question number 21. Now this is kind of Venn diagram question. Okay, which of the following Venn diagram best represent the relationship amongst paper, stationery and pencil? So first of all we have to learn what are Venn diagrams, why do we use it. So Venn diagrams are used for making the relationship or describing the relationship between the two or three objects. Okay, for example, if we can take an example of humans. Okay, let I say this circle is representing the human. Okay, so humans can be represented by this circle, and this circle is for man. Okay, let I draw again. This circle is for humans. Okay, and this circle is for men. Yes, men are human. Okay, so it is inside it. Again, this circle is for women. Women are also humans. Okay, so this is the representation. Okay, this kind of representation we use. So we have three things: paper, stationery and pencil. So if you go to an stationery shop, you can take this as stationery. Okay, this circle is taken as stationery, and any of two circle can be taken as paper. Let I take this one. This is paper and this is as pencil. Okay, so this is the correct representation of the all three things, and relation is there. Stationery, paper and pencil comes under the stationery. That is why this option B is the correct answer. Okay, now let's move further. Coming to question number 24. Here, count the number of cubes in the given figure. We have to count the number of cubes. See, we have some small cubes here, and we have to find out the number of cubes. So as you can see here, there are three layers. One, this is layer 1, this is layer 2, and this is layer 3. Okay, these are the three layers, and if we will sum up the number of cubes in the first layer, it is only 1. Okay, how many cubes are there in layer 1? This is 1. Okay, now count in the second layer. This is 1, 2 and this is third. Okay, so 1 plus 3. Now in the third layer, how many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is backward 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The total number of cubes will be 10 plus 3 plus 1, 14. Correct answer will be option C, that is 14. Okay, this is the way how to count the number of cubes. Now coming to the question number 26. In that, find the value of P, Q, R and S respectively. Okay, we have given a shape of F is given and Y is given. Now we have to turn, first we have to turn this F to 1 by 4th anti-clockwise. So 1 by 4th means what? 1 by 4th rotation means what? 1 by 4th rotation means 90-degree rotation. As I told you or not, we have to multiply 1 by 4 by 360. It will come out as 90-degree. And anti-clockwise means what? This is the anti-clockwise direction and this is the clockwise direction. So we have to follow this anti-clockwise direction. So F will become like this. This is 90-degree anti-clockwise direction. So F will be like this. Okay. Now as you can see here, only the option D is following the same criteria for Y also, rotating anti-clockwise 90-degree or 1/4 rotation. Similarly for 1/8 will be what? 1/8 will be 360 multiplied by 1/8, it will be 45-degree. It will be 45-degree. 45-degree means what? 45-degree clockwise direction. So 45-degree clockwise direction will be taken as this F will become like this, and this Y will become like this. Okay, so the correct option for the question number 26 is option number D. Very simple. Now moving further to question number 31. Again we have to count the number of cubes in the given figure. So we will count it by layer. Okay, so here how many layers are there? We have 4 layers. Very simple. This is the first layer. Okay, first layer में कितने the first layer, how many cubes are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 7. In the second layer 7 cubes are there. Similarly at the belows of this first layer again we have 7 cubes. Okay, surrounded here like this. 7 cubes are okay. Now 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, in the second layer we have 12 cubes. Now again in the third layer, as in the second layer we have 12 cubes already, so in the third layer we also have 12 cubes, and extra cubes are, this is 12 is there, and 13 14 15 cubes. In this until here we have 12, and this 3 are 12 plus 3 15. Okay, so in the third layer, this is the third layer. In the third layer we have 15 cubes. So already we have 15 cubes in the fourth layer, and only this one is extra, that is 16th cube. Okay, so the sum of this will be 50. Okay, so the total number of cube will be 50, and the correct answer will be option number B, that is 50. Now moving further, option B 50 is the correct answer. Moving further to the next question, that is question number 33. Which of the following Venn diagram best depicts the relationship between cook, girls and dancer? Okay, so here we have to find out the relationship between these three. So as you can see here, cook can be a dancer, a cook can be a dancer, and a dancer can also be a cook. Similarly, a girl can be a dancer or not. Yes, it can be. So we have similar relationship. If we can say here, if we can see here, these are girls, these are dancer, these are cooks. So cook can be a dancer, cook can be a girl also. Okay, a dancer can be a girl, and dancer can also be a cook also. A girl can be a cook, and girl can be a dancer also. So all three relations are being followed. Hence our answer is option number A. Okay. So thank you so much. Rest all questions are quite similar to the question which I have covered. You can do by yourself, and if you have any doubt you can ask me and we will solve your doubt. Okay. Thank you.